Who doesn't like fried chicken? Hello guys, welcome back to my home, welcome back to my kitchen. Today it's a super delicious day. We're gonna make chicken nuggets. Of course, Italian style with a special touch of Chef Paolo. Super easy and super delicious. Let's check the ingredients here. Flour, 2 eggs, chicken breast, and here we have our cornflakes to give to our chicken nuggets a special crunchy crust. And of course, touch of Mediterranean rosemary. First thing first, guys, we prepare our crunch with our cornflakes. So we take a bag and we just crunch all our cornflakes. Cornflakes inside the bag. And then we close well and we make a really nice crunch. Here we are. Super nice. We put our cornflakes in a bowl again. Then we take our rosemary, we take out all the leaves and we chop. In the way we make a really nice powder of rosemary. Once it's really nice chopped, we add here in our cornflakes. And we mix. See? In the way we have a really nice aromatic crunch of cornflakes. Then 2 eggs. And we smash a little bit with our fork. And then we need to chop and prepare our really nice chicken. We take our chicken breast and we chop in small pieces. In a way we're gonna make many really nice chicken nuggets. Sweet Chicago. Here you are. Our chicken nuggets are ready. Now it's time to cook it. We take a really nice pan, switch on the fire, high fire, and we put some oil to fry them. Any type of seeds oil. We never use extra virgin olive oil to fry them because it gives a too strong flavor to our dishes. In the meantime, the oil arrives at the right temperature. We put all our chicken nuggets in a bowl and we add some salt and some pepper. Here we are. Now it's time to prepare our chicken nuggets before we fry it. So first, flour. Second, egg. And third, this super nice crunch. Alright, look here. Our oil is at the right temperature, so it's time to put our chicken nuggets. Fantastico! After 3 minutes, we turn upside down. Wow, such a really nice, delicious crunch. And here we are. Super perfect, crunchy and delicious, guys. Golden brown color is what we like. Last thing, one really nice lemon, and we cut it in some fork white. And now guys, the best moment. Who doesn't like fried chicken? This is super easy to make. It's we call it bocconcini, you know? A small bite of super crunchy with this rosemary aroma chicken nuggets. Italian style. Time to try. Some lemon? Mamma mia ragazzi. Perfect crunch. Mamma mia! Perfectly cooked. 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Listen to the sound of the crunch. I love it. Unbelievable. Keep following me, guys. Thank you to be with me and these amazing chicken nuggets. And of course, always here. Same place, same kitchen. Same chef, next recipe, same day. Bye bye!